Baba wey dey smile. Who dey zuzu? Kalakwa master. Ibere ne o. Yado kalakwa. Asoke akeri sese. Baby, I do some over. Vedi qua sono che io amo che ne assumo perché allora poi non si deve da vabbè. Asoke na ye adazora siesiro. Yes, meno adazoma siesi. Adazoma siesi. Nala onu warigo ya kantini. E first bank is in the bank. Ula pata money. Soke now. It was a man. It's my own palette. We don't make Moses to left from his land. Soke now. It was a man. And then you got book as a brother. There was a man. Soke now. As I know. Soke now. As I know. Tatu samaya basanya yawa yere. Oh my God. Me I play my God music. We understand now.
With contentful, create content once and read
correct guy. Yeah, play my God. Send mo se dogbe more o. Oya ni mo e dogbe more o. Egi mo te ye yawa na. Dogbe more o, baba gbe more o. Dogbe more o. Thumbs up this video if you're on YouTube. Thumbs up this video because today with a cook and the drink one. I was in the kitchen. I've been cooking since, so I need to deliver the food to the dining table. Hey God, Umenmwan, Kalakwa. And he go, no. Ebede vodo no venue soto. Toki mother pega mi orevo. Toti kugarieva pagage na moga mai mo sama kwe ya uko. Usani se no de tinga tele baby. Tobe morwe o. Oya ne moe. Tobe morwe o. Usani mo se o. Tobe morwe o. Let me sit down in my comfortable chair. Yes. Ibero. Imari wagita. Oga want another yari. Oh, we are here to my Vitru. What I see you. Good evening, my sister. Yeah, my lovely mommy. Gold. Oh, we go. Ni open up. Gold. In Holland. But I got a gold in one. We are mommy gold. He's the one, the only woman who say original gold. Ali Papa Godo. Niyaga say do so. Mame procolati yo weye ko wa mage oke. Magila a private jet e wa ni gbofo na do po. People say. Also we go pay. Can amo of we gbera mogi. Iwe do men of you are that's all I see. Address me as a that's all I see. Big. You know what? Border Switzerland, you know. No great woman. Yes, so my people, I greet you with love. This is Frank Vito, the Umenmwan one of the universe, aka the social media. Let's give us our national anthem first.
We are just back from the orphanage. What time is that? We are here, right?
Ajebor, listen.
Now what do they do? No be what to get it to. Nothing like. Now they claim us, you know they represent. Make sure you know they represent. Now, you the Buga, you the carry shoulder. Every time you the Buga, you the carry shoulder. Yellow. I believe you know what. I believe you the carry along. I believe you know what. I believe you the carry along. One break record. Both men of village. Offensive village. They look at offensive village. Offensive village. Offensive village. Shoot offensive village. I think good offensive village. I go to offensive village. I'm offensive village. Offensive village. CP fancy house. Positivity bubbles. Fancy house. Positivity bubbles. Fancy house. Positivity bubbles. If I want break record, I go first by village. You want break record, go first by village. Every time you the Buga. I like I many you know I many you the carry along. I many you carry along. Any you know I many you the carry along. Share you want break record money. Go first your village.
Yes, so my people, I greet you now with love. This is Frank Vito, the Umenmwan one of the universe, aka the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otutu, the social media Bomo. I just do with my drink. I want you. Yes. I don't show. I just dey cook my food since, you understand? The food we want, it only goes some more money as the hot. I just dey cook the food since they know so they're ready. So as I dey cook on the food, no quick done. I need to forward the date, forward the time, till the food done. Because I talk and say more monster gbẹngbọn sigbọn Ajebor ekun short ekwe gbẹngbọn we say yeah gbẹngbọn we sigbọn gbẹngbọn sigbọn master. It's why. And the way the time we really tired for. Oh no, when he said Ajebor I go and gbẹ and they talk on loud. Ajebor, you come out on live video. Allegation was laid against you by Papa this man. What are you supposed to do to come out and clarify yourself? if it is true or false allegation, I'm not to do saga with you. Ajebor, I'm not to do saga with you. I dey tell you what you dey do. Ajebor, I say you be killer. If you know say you don't be killer, come out and clarify yourself. The woman will give you house. Ohun odion ohun owokan What you are begging Ajebor, if you were not among the people we want to murder that woman, the house where you do orphanage home. So if the house we want to do orphanage home, so when you want to go murder that woman, that was your wife. If you are not among of those gang, come out on live video and defend it. I know so you know how to swear away. Me, my mail when no social media now. I will ban talk. Because I'm going to tell you the real fact. And here where I go. And the more I hear where I go, I will go in Tiani. Number one, about this one. Helen Freaky, your attention is needed. I don't person you message this morning. Go to your messenger and read my message. Helen Freaky. I don't say you're not a freaky. freaky, you understand? I know I want freaky you out. I go to freaky all of them out one by one and with evidence, with the one of videos. I go to bring my woman one after the other until now call my head to order. Me, yeah, this wahiya ni wa uleria no wahin. Yeah, one is one by one. No what it no ko ogun wenu. O no ho amoro itebo. Ikoni enigbe. If it moment here. You understand? Now, Ajebor, Agamye Yahu, oh, say, man, no, Adazo Masiesi, Ajebor, Adazeno Enigbi, the ambassador at those diaspora, Umaiti a patron, Umaiti patron by because they have demoted you from patron because you are not capable enough to be a rowa. You are not capable enough to be a patron. Ajebor, regardez là-bas. Your attention is needed. Ajebor zowere bogodo. Nundori tome bogodo. Nundori oja bogodo. Nundori ubeme bogodo. Ajebor zowere bogodo. Ajebor zowere bogodo. Ajebor zowere bogodo. Nundori tome bogodo. Nundori oja bogodo. Mota ewa dazenu muje gweni mo kiwe. Adere oja loruwe. Yes. You are a dirty ass man. Agbihun okay. Very dirty on this one of year no one is no where ye what does it go webu Umenmwan yanki what does that na dere of year no the man with the saying why they go road walk for Europe Benin man with the saying why they go road walk. You people cannot distract me. I am too smart and wise to focus on my journey, and this journey is a journey of Ajebor. Manera kita ari gbiagari woni lori GPC ari ye boy be ivie bezi kwere ni wa tutu papa ni all those one no dey answer them. You know the reason why isinya maso me ho ize ni omo ni mere na Ajebor no oho ni ati awe ni awu make name only my concern me because me where you didn't make any single name. You understand? You did not make any single name. You are only fooling those innocent secondary school dropout women. Abi ku na vijinya mo adie we boneri nya mo adie we boni madam mo adie we ni ado gbegbe aga ni ma school ni ma hand their left from their right. They only hear language. Majority of the few we in language they can read and write. They feel they don't they educated. You understand? Anyway, deceive. No me ho no down yo. Those that have ears, let them hear. Understand me now? Ajebor lare, my own webinar. Where do I like them a live video? The reason Ajebor did video today, I will tell you people. Along with this man, Vini Meji, he record on we record him. Even no we live video, no do we record. Any time we live video. Ajebor sent people to come and beg me, and I told them categorically, you see Ajebor, et don smart, et don prince, non rovi jimene. You go call my friend, we be say we gotta come from Libya. And I know so that two cut this level because I know so not be a year. Based on a year squad level, many may go were cut. You understand? So they want to use that kind of cut level with this guy, ITD. Then they call me. Sunday morning, on Sunday morning, when I'm supposed to pick up my Bible, I read, my phone ring, my guy. And the person will come in now, my guy, responsible man. Ajebor, on not calling many, they are no any bill. Oh, we are no good now, we are no good. You are really mujeba. The man not calling me because why is he responsible? Oh, but give you one. He's a responsible man. On that TV. Me want far. Now I do everywhere good. How the also now also there everywhere. What they meant for? What they meant for? But we also what they meant for. Raise France me reach them. What they meant for? Now so we just the joke. No knowing say they don't plan now. Iyan plan a krokonine na ya time with Don Prince. Don Prince sit down there with them. One of the year story. Ajebor. It's time I went. We don't go run for me. We don't go fear me on this social media. Very yawa this great thing from the beginning to the end. The secret way here Allah ya iyo boy. E ma ta ya agbo. E ma ta ma kan bi ego ni e ya agbo e ya ta yo egbe. Ya say ya go yoworu. Agbo do ti meet you with again. E me no kana ta na wa ya je. O do dudu no ta ma mo me. We do ya de. O title no we yo ni. Me as we go social media na. Where he said do I don't know you ya gbon wa. A squad no ga le be do know. Now Ajebor down the hall, when they listen, I go they diagnose them with English, no be only being. So that both with the hear English, me they hear what they talk. That my guy called me. I did bedu and about week for the talk. He say, I know Don Prince. I say, who be Don Prince? Say Don Prince now, who they do live video. I say, okay, one boy when they say they cost me for they cut my pa mama for France. I don't know what happened, they okay. He said, he want to talk to me. Now I said, no, I don't want to talk to me. I say, waiting. And the matter I wanted to so. But so no, calm down. You're not my own. I don't feel begging something you give for me. I said, bros, you feel begging something, I'll agree for you. Me and Don Priest don't get problem. I said, they now, they hear me. If Don Priest like me from today go cost meeting 2 years time, 10 years time, Baba with this man not go reply him. You understand? Mary Kodoma, but we need a secret. A memory now is too empty and full to forget something. You understand? Things are inside. And then I say, if you let me insult me not in next year generation, I not go reply don't smart. My focus and my target is on Ajebor. Because a bloody civilian, I need to treat him like one. You understand? You see, no, not Don Prince can say, bros, allow, we allow, and that one, now make come beg you for lip allow, now make it peace. Now saying, guy, nothing like peace. I'm not going to make it peace. They call the beg with the soaking attitude. Now say, you dey talk. The time where Ajebor carry in Biagia come out, they insult attitude. Where you did? Why you not make peace? When Ajebor carry, Asomi Sogo don't deva. One more like the arrow attitude. Where you do? Because I beg. See, look, you don't call attitude this morning. They say they go something, want go do something, I beg. You go still call attitude back. More make peace, more settle. Now say, guy, Ajebor matter. I don't deliver. They pray, make I not start person matter. Monica issue. I know how many men will use and turn to my enemy today. I know they talk of women now because the women are normal. Women are normal. I talk of men. Men will be say, who now go the respect for this word. Wait, turn to my enemy because of Monica. When I did their side, those men, now that they call me for back, they give me advice. Men won't go, and water. They may know I misbehave, why this going on. The I misbehave now. Now Monica may talk to. They call. No, I forget about Monica. Monica. I say, I see, and Monica on dance social media. Or a life in a aroma bo a gay, non huano, aroma bo a gaji, or aroma bo, or aroma naguna, or your tino maya him, or your tino, you know, and I maya him. If I would have you. Dete nyani no hare gange Monica no hare it me ya hioni me. Venus one blast Monica no pa ya ye pem. Yen wa switch off. Mekem me awufan. Since then, I dey promises ya ni promises we nya wo no memari ya. Remember eso and this gwan Monica ya ni betan. Awe GPC gang. Yen na le grim. Ina me. He got started me. I don't turn back. I must finish am. Monica, you see, igbini my Monica is 500 years. You got a split me and you're already as a guy. Because I'm done. Oze beg, yanze beg, na kame igwe. E pardon dan wa says only my word, says only my word. Dikuma ya geria. That's me for you. And that was how things to do. They know they call me. We not block each other, but we know they talk. And I stand on my word. Don Prince say, I beg. Now say, Don Prince, I greet you, bro. Me and you no get issue. Me and you no physical quarrel. You know the reason why? Because you know he said Ajebor don't make name. I said, which name? Bro, which name you say Ajebor make? And because you don't know Ajebor Shas. Maybe you know Ajebor for Europe or you hear his name. If you know Ajebor Shas, the house Ajebor when me know where I know where for go rent, we know for Ogida. When Ajebor go for Ogida. I say, bros, what's it? Not also not Ajebor. And last you just say me they stupid. Ask don't press jump. You just say they stupid. Where they insult people? Check the people where they insult. Now people say why be saying don't press why be saying people don't make name the insult. Even check Eruwala. Eruwala will be say I may just buy Eruwala will talk my platform. Me just the true man they go to give Eruwala. I say, guy, I'm not go watch my video. I'm not stupid. I know they carry the trauma with person. And they deal with those people with waiting common for their mouths. Eruwala's worker aga DNA test. Oh man, na dey Jordan do tiye. Abu we man watch a video game. Oye do not think oye do o nu ba lo ye ke wa e odi nu so ma dem ti we kai. That means wa wo e gba we do am. That means we ban no where any else na wa. Every later with dagbo. You will carry koko. Onu mu me un ba mu na yan. That is about this man. And now come the priest. Kakabo to ta. A live video now. O kakabo give me no matter wonu. Okay, I judge you. But roge ajepa kona nu wedri meji na. Messi here we my God do we have 100 times. Do we have fear ba meji fear jitan. In short fear con. You understand? Fear con. Kakabo ro wi ra me yi me. Me mu gada ige beriane. Nu we ye bog be kere we you ya beri. You understand? But when meji Ajebor isai. As we talk, Ajebor don't call inside the call as we talk. So we they call the talk. Ajebor they call the priest. Let's say Ajebor Tina. Now you pick Ajebor. I cause no carry Ajebor join me. No carry Ajebor join me. You see, bros, when they are okay. The other phone no, you can't pick Ajebor call like two phone. Let's say we did this one. Ajebor called me for this one. I put that for last week. I put it for last week. You understand me? So I calm down as a gentleman where I be. Man does it. Understand? But with gentle, I calm down. The one that feel say they're smart too. The one that feel say they're smart. When they know say they talk to Gama again, another Gama for the same group, the same call with them. Ajebor make a statement. They don't preach alpha. You do. I mean that why I want my yiku and you drop on my what did I miss call? That would be call you me. The priest now reply. He go shock when I say every conversation we will talk, I go narrate everything. You record them, but here I'm the priest now reply. Pardon, if I want my Ghana record Frank Victor or record. So you only want now after 2 months and then next thing at the bottom. Okay, you call with a guy and you know if I know what's new. One of my chairman, but my discuss, I tell me Frank Victor, or now we back to Libya, very nice guy. So we did Frank Victor, we born here, you know, the guy what I was going at here, Frank Victor, why at Frank Victor, and why I'm matter why I said to him, they have it at Tennessee. Now I am we do my hands. And don't please the talk so on the year. I come and listen. I know because I just want to end the call immediately. Of course, okay, make a list, make a see gather more sense. Me, I know what things up to. So the next thing, because you know, say not the praise say my brother we say imutai so no. Then the guy come to say my main problem, understand? So the guy come to Ajebor say you know my Frank is saying go Frank drop the matter or what we understand? Not lie or not drop the matter. But Frank you insist where he will never drop the matter. Even he had to drop the matter to you. Okay, Ajebor say so when you drop the matter, why come I not time now? Not time. Not continue. Come on, not continue. As I hear that, I'm asking, okay, now end the call. You understand? Now end the conversation. I just end the call, lift the call for them. Even the guy who play voice record for me, I beg, make a move talk this matter. When I call him, move this matter once and for all. I not reply them again. Up to now. You understand? So Ajebor was surprised yesterday. See, I still come out yesterday evening. Come well. That is the reason why I did that video yesterday. Yesterday supposed to be connecting time. But I felt blast Ajebor first. Make for no say. Emenita will wear it all tight about so that they are going to tap in who gets on. Yahmo easy Ajebor, Yagbe Mosimu. Because I'll get 2 agbe. Okbeno came with do it. Okbeno came to see who a wibble. Or you're going to who what I understand. Okbe are not Gyoko Biaga or your Horiku. Okbe no Biena or Moko Yimoto Kie come on Wariku or your Horiku and what respect to Hono. I agree with you, man. Ye do. Why damn you? We are not Tiang Bay or why damn you? No. That was the reason yesterday I came out felt disgrace and first without a wife, in ex big mama, confession and analysis. But we analyzed yesterday. You know, civil say even that yesterday not plan that video finish, which is very, very good. So today, Ajebor come out. If you be man, we really get respect for the same so-called women, where you say they be your yawa, iyode, iyeki, iyonisan. I think when you know what on here, I go back on here disgrace war. But this man, no, to craft my hand. Why have you ever go to go craft my hand and the truth they tell you, I'm not saying a joke. And they come for now secrets they come out to gradually. Now, Yedo, Ajebor come out categorically today as a bollard. One call the form dance. Now that one want to see, my guy, you don't build your name, you don't build your name. We agree, we don't hear say you don't build name. My guy, tell us. Come out, come defend the allegation that was leveled against you by Umenmwan. Or will not be anywhere ya you number one. Or will not be anywhere. Come 2 children we are breastfeeding there at roadwork. A binima boy. If that is not true, come out and tell us. Where do have a man? We know how we Jaji Munda Unja Ohono we no we will be no we Nigeria lawebo. We will Yaji Munubu. When I be no siwa. Una agba ogono dey pay no yo. Ugba ogomo no be no we. A man. Tell me how that is be lie. Come on live video, come talk. You know talk. Ajebor. Owo kan we ni agbe that year. I dropped that year. Ajebor, come back to life video, tell us say you not follow those guys. We want go for that woman. The years where person no, I don't remember the made year. That time we be say abroad. If you carry woman come abroad, you carry girl come. I got to use English. On made the whole word here about who the year be and who the year English. I am here UFA. Good one. Now be the man name. He they call himself ambassador. Ambassador of those in the diaspora. That year will be say if you carry babe come Europe for omyogo of your the babe not balance you. Now the parents for us they'll go home. Either they say the parents someone for juju side or they'll send killer. May they go kill him. Or they'll say kidnapper they will go hold. Once they hold the mama or papa, then they torture your man and papa. the pikin go they go call the pikin go instantly go pay the money for this side. Or the girl where you carry come run follow black boy, run follow darky for this side. The trolley go house, go hold the parents. And that year now they talk so. Now they take Ajebor, come at me, you can't talk. Can't defend waiting at the talk so. Can't defend waiting at the talk so saying a lie. You will say you be a Dazova. You can't Europe, you can't deceive all those women, all those innocent women we don't know you rich ass. Can't the form say you dey clean, they don't think like you. For 3,000 euro when you thief, when they give me cry when you thief, you not confess to attitude life. Say yes, you collect the money. Don't be say the money lost. Say you charge the money, you go pay. Come tell us say you not chop the money. Say you. Ajebor will have the other time. May I play this my beautiful sister video?
I just the enter so anyway. No, she say you know they see me for church ever since.
I see, and now they call you to me ask what did they happen now?
My sister. Now court now. After that one where I tell you, the one where I still tell you last 2 months. And last year, you know.
Not the listen.
That one for Nigeria matter and
I don't tire. I don't know where my own can be, whether na package life I go call and be na fake life. I died. The whole thing just get as it be.
Oh no.
Now court we just need they come from na again.
Tell me, what be this one this time?
This time. Now my husband they give am money make am go house. Again, he said the money don't still lost.
Oh no. After the one we do last year, I be 2 months ago. Me go work. Tell me go work now. How long you continue like this? Or give her money, go use that?
If you don't understand, now this Ajebor, now these two women they talk about so now Monica did that side and lot of this. But on a more serious note, before I talk of Ajebor, but these two women, but Lolo fine, there's special Lolo lip mat is wide, and if that's kind of wide lips only or even like I won't know any what but a Lolo must say Monica, Jesus. I mean, no one ask Lolo how you would take cope with this Monica. Monica go working ever, you know say Lolo or beat Monica die hands down. Monica will do how ganya. We may have a lot of Moses away. We'll continue. I just let you know. But yeah, let's go there.
How long? See, na court na day now. How no one can do this one?
The one we fair do last time. That one, he no carry us go court for here because he no get paper. All the aware boy day Nigeria, he call our name for there. But this one, na court for here, he can't carry us go. I don't tell you. You know they go to Nigeria. You know they here. What do you they go do that? I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, God.
Ajebor, I'm here and you.
And when the people go see me now, big woman like this, they go because of me, they go trust me.
Yes, so my people, if you now watch this video now, why they click so, Lolo they represent as a friend to Vivian, which is Kebe, Kekebe, which I don't say as Kebe Joshua. You understand? Monica they represent Kekebe, which is Vboot. You understand? The Sheffield Griver. Now waiting Monica they represent. Now for this video, they saga. The one they watch you, the saga Ajekpako, like say this Vivian, they complain to a friend. Now they listen, for inside no sense the inside. You understand? We know say these two women misbehave those years, but inside they are misbehave. Big facts, big truth, what they do. Even though we know say Monica saga people, Monica talk real truth for inside all those videos we do. The same thing goes to Lolo, they talk truth for all those videos they do. Because now people they bring matter, can't give them the truth. Always they call the do and pass body. You understand? So they listen to when I listen to this one, Now, true story, they talk. So, true story, then they analyze. So, but no, not go, no, they look like joke or comedy when they listen.
My friend, my friend, this one no let you talk. You know what I go advise you, because this your case too, it be like case where you know Monica and Lolo now. You know them.
I know them. I know just want go Monica place. So this one where I just did. So no, I don't want me set fire.
We're supposed to this matter now. Monica and Lolo, they even though you know I mean they talk about you as big say big woman thing. You go give them, they take do advice for other women. And which is how you can solve this problem now. But all my advice, we say your husband need to go work, You need to go work, because if you get your own money, you know go the use person money.
I want to work. Somebody call on that. They say me work there. He get paper. But he know the year language. You know, say place where we did na language. He know year. Okay, name my friend where the UK constantly say, come this side though. You know they are. Then he walk the day when you reach there, you start to the walk. He just look my waist. He say he no go fit leave this waist. Make you go the work in UK.
Seriously?
I said, no, not be smart thing. I even be the think and say I can call Monica and her friend. May they help me use this thing to do topic. Make I for learn. I want to do if you marry this type of men, we go they look waste for morning, afternoon, evening. My husband na so waste now they look. So waste now they look. He go just see me for kitchen. Ekunwena. Money we are put for this your way. Money we are put for this your way.
Now wow. I hear that the Lord they talk and say, all these kind men now when they get energy, may they go walk, because when they're old, women, you know, say women know they do something. Say, when you say, tell us, say my husband, you know that woman that they call Lolo. Lolo always they talk and say marriage without no money, expiring date today.
My sister, if I tell you, say, you know, say when you watch that Lolo video finish, you can send it to me. Let me come the wash up for kitchen. I come the listing. If I tell you what my husband do me that day, he said, why are they listening to all this type of women? Why are they listening to this woman? Just because you say if they don't owe, they go suffer. He say he not go feel suffer. Say country where they God don't bless them, that they give person money, they go give them money until he go.
You know, say may I tell you what, you know, so na children small. Now don't they pay football contribution?
No.
Una daughter don't they go ballet? You know ballet dance. You know that ballet dance where they pay money for children. You know how much they sell that clothes. You know boys. You know how much they sell football shoe and football clothes. When your people go there 10 years, you get some.
Government not they pay for that one.
Which government? No, government not they pay. You need to work. You need to work and keep your children money. For one side, now that one they take the support the one where your husband they work small, say they buy better things for your children. You don't know.
Hey, the money government even they pay me now. The one where they pay me, I feel the man where my husband fẹ́ carry money go Nigeria for where we not see money. The man call us, go call our matter for a bomisi. Awoswonba, Ayelala, Ipepe, Ikankan, Asika, Agugun, 7 places. And those 7 places, every month, they must take money from us. My sister, this one we are there, so I want to cry on social media. Make up
you know the person where you go there. You know, go tell Monica. You know, Monica only say they close the account for the now, but if you still give you a number, if you help you do it for Instagram or for YouTube, they'll still hear. You call Monica.
You are versing me. I call me Monica. I know just go.
Monica nice. You know say Monica sometimes if people they look Monica from outside, they'll say, oh, Monica not the list. She they listen, no. That woman can listen to people.
I just know
for me to go, Monica. I know just go see by myself. I just go see and go
Don't
knock
give me-
myself by myself.
No, if you not go down by yourself, oh, not go down by yourself. Just tell her, make she no call your name. Tell her, make she just do an arrange am for you. She will be arrange am for you. And the main thing now not be to even tell you, not to help other women when they cope with lazy men like this. Then be the mission. That's why you go tell her, say, my sister, may you give them, may you tell advice other women when they cope with lazy husband, when they knock am for waste every morning. Money we I pay for your waste. Money we I pay for your waste. May they tell advice women out there.
Don't tire. My sister,
Say, make the man
I
go
think
work.
that time you be tell me say you na married woman also.
Nah, be oh.
They pay money for your waist. I been at your head. They pay money for my husband. Me, I
They
don't
put for my
tire.
head. They put for my
Okay, I
head.
know
No,
where you're
waste.
No, I
They
don't
for
tire.
put
I
the
don't know why
money.
my people go collect money for my waist. They for collect
No.
for head. If na my head, now maybe my husband go get head to they go work. This one way be say now my waist, they pay the money put. I don't tire.
let me hear you
And
go
that
now.
one we did. So he say you no
I
go
been now
go
you
work.
tell her. I been now you tell her say may no go say you no fit cope. You know say if you go London go work money for come. Oh. Eh? I been now
No
you
be
your
me tell
character.
her.
Now
He
you now
dey
your character
fear.
is dey fear.
Na
Now your
him, you
character
know
is dey
that.
fear.
Na him.
Ah, that one no. Eh.
You know that thing now. I if I take cash me. That thing
Okay,
still
that
there
time when
with
your
me.
husband first travel, that time you can't go follow her.
I so free talk
Sorry,
and make
I'm
people
not
no
going to
hear.
talk and like that. No verse. I just say me,
No,
I understand what it be.
Yes, so my people, now hear this place. Una hear this place. Now hear this place. Una, if you not hear me, I can't go back again.
na him.
Ah,
Listen,
that one no.
Vivian.
Guy,
Eh.
you know that thing now. I if I take cash me. That thing
Okay,
still
that
there
time when
with
your
me.
husband first travel, that time you can't go follow her.
I so free talk and make
I'm
people
not
no
going to
hear.
talk and like that. No verse. I just say me,
No,
I understand what it be. No verse.
na
No
him
verse.
now. No,
Sorry.
just talk and
Nobody there. Nobody there. Sorry,
Nobody did there.
No,
What other
no,
woman not
nobody.
did there?
No, she go my backyard.
No,
She
sit
want go
down
put
now.
something.
Neighbor too dey interfere. 1 year everything
No,
about
she
person.
no there yet. She no there yet. May you relax.
Na
But now
that
your
one
character, person
now.
no fit hide down. Not be your character be that.
I
Now
tire.
just do
But
bad
as I
thing.
don't
If
beg
I
my
don't do bad
husband,
thing,
reach.
now they don't want cover am for now. Now your character. May I just tell you face to face. They say
But
na person
wetin
friend. They
wetin
tell
I
person
won't
imagine.
do now? Wetin I won't
You need
do?
to change that
As I
your
don't do.
character for that one. You feel go. You know say hey, this Lola Monica what you dey talk about so they get this place that they call a fiokodi class. You understand? You know that time when you behave like that, you
My
know
sister,
that
they
kind of
use
thing.
me to swear in your wa. I not go fit go
But
after
that
body
thing,
class.
no, that thing, man, no, they touch you, woman, no, they touch you. Now just to listen and calm your brain. You understand? That your body where they make where they make you reflect. If your husband no they ask, go calm down.
I guess say I think say they say una they share one man for inside for everybody.
Now lie, oh, they know they share, oh. Now just to calm your nerves.
Yes, so my people, I want this place, this particular words where they meet so. Now I want to address to Lolo and Monica because now where they nourish. Like Lolo now you go my marry. You understand? It gets some kind of things we be say they talk of math, they don't know say na awa. You understand? And some kind of things we awa abomination for Benin, and different way women they commit abomination. If of a truth, say Vivian, they really use and says Venyowa, you go or be never when the benona ya beno no ya homo toni. Dona gili yera we ni. If Vivian awa no win ni ko ya call me social media do atale be mo magbani ma wa wonu na big one. You see these women, this afiakodi where they talk so I want to address. Where they don't know, say the afiakodi where they practice that year now big abomination to majority of married women. Not be all those women we married themselves. Majority of our marriage women for Europe now, they marry themselves. Now they give man money, make the man go for their head. Not be the man work the earn money put for their own head. That is the reason why I'm here where every na egbe yan webu. Abi ko ni yan do ki o se ni. Yan as you ya be back here your phone. Eyin wa mu yan because yan mu go ye gbe yan. Like this I feel called with it also. When you go the advise woman, may they use rubber bola till they come. May they use rubber bola till they do itself. I got the video where Monica they give himself as example for that faculty class. Monica go to surprise say I get the video. You understand that year? They cut and come for me. When Monica they sit down on top of rubber plate, you wear native. All those native. What do they do? The hand, all those open hand, open chest, native. I got that video that year. You understand? That thing where you they do, that sound where you they make as a married woman, will be said not be your husband, you they do it. Now abomination for me. I waff your way. Also bano to Zoe. But the same women we're supposed to practice, we're supposed to teach you now these things, we're supposed to let you know say these things now abomination. Now they're not gang join body way they support to not support. Now they're not really like come because you are coin. And so what you are talking about no wine. Yeah, they will live video, but you know anything about tradition. They don't know anything. Their live video coming to live video to teach you people is to look for boyfriend. They are coming to live video is to look for man. We're going to make that they come, even though they never go. Hope you understand it, man. Now you can listen to what these two women are saying concerning Ajebor wife. The same thing. Now, I want proof point to Ajebor. Ajebor, if you know so you be really a Dazon CSC, you don't make your name. Come out for live video. Come tell us if now only you want. Now your wife married. As we still speak now, if your wife don't divorce, come out, come tell us. If not be another person wife, you they marry now when you use on the hit your chest, say you get wife. You they use on the hit your chest, say you get wife. When you get 2 man, they drag one woman. Your wife married for commune. If they under my care, as far as European law is concerned, he's still under the care of the man when she married for commune. European law, they don't know about tradition. All they care about is their European law. So under tradition law, Ajebor, that woman belongs to you, which we all know the Benin, we all know. Traditionally, Vivian is your wife. You understand? In terms of law of Europe, Vivian belongs to the man who uses to do common marriage. How can you imagine? Now only you now that they see now Benin man. When your wife married 2 men at the sports. Now only you want. You don't Ajebor, you break record. You really Ajebor. You they break record everywhere. Now only you be the only Benin man where I see say you carry woman will carry you come Europe. It born for you. You carry pikin go road work. May your woman, your pikin, they suck breast for road work. Now only you break record, Guinness Book of Record, Ajebor. Now you go still come and say you be a Dazoma CSC. Abi woni Ogesiluwa. Abi woni Nutiani. Abi woni Nutiani. Today is to when the car rebuild in Ajebor. This is the way I felt one Ajebor. One Ajebor the reach shoulder. The booger for me. On our way joke ye. He was Tuesday Latin of each other. Is an avat. Do you have avat in the world? You understand? By the time I'm passing out tomorrow, all of us as I go first bring una picture, they come and I could disgrace una one by one. Both the one with their husband has, both the one with marrow Ibu. You understand? Where Ajebor they praise, it they know. Oh, league now. This social media. I mean, go league and Ajebor will come out. If una want make peace, just do this social media now. Ajebor will come out. First of all, come apologize to Atiti. Many media not send Ajebor, not apologize to me. I can't wait. Not apologize to me because I know you too well. When I in Atitina go your way free with your mind, I'm not going to show with you. Everybody will carry you. Mommy not bad no rare. Nor America. No be Nor America. amigolo North America ihe bush of filter North America ewu merije North America no America no ga nwa gbonyeje no yesku ona ye bible kionisa America because oni nwa gbon oni no gberingi ye kya wo America oni ne ya ijedo video latian I'm coming to play a video bush lion a video where you do pay. You understand? I am coming to play a video. Now, first of all, let me play this my share my video. Oh God, let me play this my video. Then Nick my video man. Nick by anyway. Bush lion. When I was record the guy, that disgrace you will be. A disgrace in FA you eh? Kere ni menyari ni go na you ball. The fake carry that year with a message.
Afternoon, my people. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
You know me.
It's gonna be a very,
listen to this man.
a very quick one. Brief. I hear Dutch come on for
man.
my working place now. I do this brief one to notify my people. Say I will come on air later to speak about the lack of integrity of people like Bush Lion, the bush rats in America, because he has the effrontery. Whether he had the effrontery on Saturday to send me an audio note questioning my reputation, questioning his belief on my person, whereby this same Bush Lion in all ramifications have fall short of the standard we used to think that as a man in America he should have been able to kind of be a role model or people will look up to. But obviously he has woefully failed to show say some people in America can be so stupid. The same audio note he sent to Atiti, they mock Atiti, the Bush Lion. You remember I said I get your audio when you go Nigeria.
Okay.
Do you know I have your audio when you went to Nigeria, when you sold that? You sold that to our course for POI. You sold out. Seriously, you sold out. Then you went to Benin. You say you the fear for your life. You tell me, I get your write up, but because of integrity that I have, that's why I don't want to begin to go solo to kind of play some audio notes on Facebook Live. But obviously, you yourself lack integrity. The Bush Lion, you said that Omopuma that you have kind of overrated my person. That I talked to Oguboki Richard Osadeye. Yes, Oguboki Richard Osadeye. When he came out to come insult me because I tell him he fought. When he fought the ooze, I've been watching him for a long time. The antecedent of that boy is not good. He's a betrayer. He's a snitch. He's a thief. Anything, he can kill anybody for money. That was why I came out for him. I have to pause because I just don't want to, but I've made my point known to him that he's a big fucking asshole.
Okay.
It was a video I saw him did on my person. No fear. If they call my name, they talk say Papa they buy cigar credit. He will never shop belief. He will never get document. The time when me I get wife, Richard still in Nigeria. My first son is 21 years. When my son they talk, Richard cannot speak there. They're not born Richard where to talk when my son they talk. My son go put Richard, coordinate Richard head. My son will coordinate Richard head. In terms of anything for this world, in terms of any level for this world, my son will coordinate Richard. Osadeye head where they call himself stupid name will not get palace. I don't want to make sure that the country I call that name, they make me spit. So in a nutshell, I want to quickly tell you, Bush Lion. Immediately I close work today, 5 o'clock, you have me to contend with because you are a liar. You are a bunch of, you be big liar. You dey lie well. You lack integrity, you lack honor, you lack what it takes to be a man. That is the fact. You lack everything that costs itself honor among men. You don't have it. You that can condescend so low in America, condescend so low with a woman that ran that committed adultery, even though the man not put money for it, go they fuck another man with laptop. You cut that to your greatest ally because you are just a cheap, like you define women where they lose. You've always been that kind of man. You define loose women to associate with, to think say they speak that you're stupid, idiotic, wannabe American English. Who cares about that? Without integrity, your English is down the drain. Without honor, your English is invalid. You're not a man of honor, the bush rat. That's what you are. You're not a man of honor. You no fear. You can't send me the note, voice note. You they so that it's put in so that your penis work. The time you go meet a meze. Your penis work, not be ring you the tie for your penis.
Okay.
Because not ring you the tie for your penis. You feel do anything. When you see pussy, your dick feet work. Very soon your picking DNA will go the asshole now. All those children that you born there. I message told us your dick is not functioning. Your dick don't function. You didn't need that. I message say you didn't need that. Now need that you did they do vaga with your tongue. They do vaga pussy. That's what you're good at. Then you can't get mad at that. You say dick now they work at it and you not fear because they send me stupid audio note say Andromorphuma. I used to hold you in high esteem. It's like you've overrated your stupidity. Your brain duck ass is stupid. The bush rat. You are stupid. You are crazy. I have the right to insult anybody who insult me. One idiot from nowhere called the tell Papa say Papa they buy cigar credit. You think I'm just letting go? And sometimes I will just come out and tell him how I feel. If he still do anything, I come out again, I'll tell her how I feel. If you don't know inside there, at the end of the day, the man will be seriously separated from the boys. That's how it works. You don't expect me to keep quiet for that dog ass, that lazy blishy boy. But you know, when they bleach all his skin, like they bleach all the cells in his body. He said that he want fine for 50 euro for France guests. 100 euro. Godfather my foot.
Yeah. Never fit chop. One fit bath.
Godfather my foot. Which kind of Godfather that one be?
Stupid one.
Godfather. When they find a way to siphon, defraud. Shentro, just look at all of them now. Just look the theory whether they support themselves. Look all of them. They have one thing they common.
Ugo.
All of them are bleach.
Just this man here dey your head. Integrity. With it talk. Look at the three of them. Ugo, Shentro boy, Shentro bleaching boy. Ugo, where they take people wife. See, just imagine Ajebor, the same Shentro bleaching where they use jazz, they use ebo, not beat you. The same thing where Ugo see they do. You understand? Iye we bogumewa, no ya diku. No, the same thing we go they do. That one I'll go. That one I confirm where no. Which means say I feel point because you just where go they do. They come and call defender. Evolo. Okonu gomu go ya evembo. We no go to Lavian. You know what thing they talk. I know the lie against them. You know. You understand? Look. Now they talk. E no get them pala. E no get we. E no get we. The same central. The same blishy. The same blishy. Where you don't get the bleach. Where you don't get bleach. It is how they say bleach. See three of them. Ajebor, Enogi, Ugo. Now, Ajebor now, you can't see what are you the stupidity here? You see your stupidity. You see how you are full. The more you are coming out, you are fooling yourself the more. You, Ajebor, you are not praising Ugo because Ugo is not supporting you. Ugo want to stay your side, make it for still come out. Ugo want to try to come out for half inside the frustration where you fall put. You understand? Maya ayago go komi. Fine, we no see the sick. Are you boy to fake kere? Eho agmala omugo top, which is normal. On the saga. You understand? E ba we here that go body lugona. Ege lugona amwi kwere. Una le gbele. Have you ever subscribed to Ugo? Ajebor, they ask you. Now you want praise Ugo because you see everybody they beat you now. People don't they fall out for you now. Your body don't shake. You the form say after you want the form say you know they pay you. My guy, you they fake pain. Won't be over. Work a Vivian. Why me over? Egbu wa no egbu wa to ba mi ro pa e je shun ba we this man e ari e ni o la ewu vin fien me ma so saka e me so saka mi andu ya so ka lo ri yu egbe iye ni mo si this is iye le gbe off egbe
Hello, my brother.
off egbe real video off egbe
Osagwara, my brother.
we see one.
So, my people now, good evening. That's when time me have.
Good evening, man. Yeah.
If you put a work watching a video, name me. Always ask you. No, you call our hair. If I made our fair when I had a pad, your sister, my love, and my son,
yeah.
Study for it. In our one, I eat here, except a lot of that.
Yeah.
And we can get some of them working on the Alatia.
Okay.
So, by the video, one, your brother, let's ask you. On our brother, talk,
yeah.
If I know my two back, your brother,
Kakapona, yes, na mafi pagi yawa. Kakabo.
So the same thing what I'm Ajebor now, Ajebor. Do I want first a Frank Umenmwan? First, get out here, what's a Frank Elabor, a secretary. Get what I jump back, I won't be over the song and get a million paper watch it up. Well, $10 with cross, okay? Oh, what do I say, Frank Elabor? A few back your method, or few back your man. That's not what Frank you know. But when I want to come here, you want to let the sleeping dog lie. When my mom like you know, I take your turn.
Yes.
So nobody do what first fucking why you first fucking. Nobody should call you a fucking few back from a labo or few back on it. Come and tell them on the social media I can get up right now. If I can avoid the social media, nobody should speak for the cause again. Because I'm near for the layer only about the Monatia, only so small as the 9th of May, 9th of March 2018. 1 year I find again is up and I never get broken down on social media. I never forgot.
Yeah. How old now? How old?
So, our lady can't see it. The Ajebor see it. All the people with their hair. My own, you know, and I'm not there, Frakelabo, and not by back on the way. But you only want to need 20 minutes. Nobody I would actually want to know where. My equal cost me if there were few to the Sasio, who know that you're okay. Okay, Ajebor. I don't want to talk to her.
I got a man.
The video is not if you're not on that, if you're not just the plan of this, here's your way. Over the social media, not before. So I can't find the way they can hear that. No way.
Ajebor waru we Ajebor. Yes, what? Eri mi jiyan o yoba. Era bi je o yoba. Yes, na. Me ya ti log yan me mo yan ya rokorba. No me mo ha ru yan rokorba. O fe yan ya hi. If you are a Frakelabo, we are on my phone. If you know who we're not going to let them deny all the allegation. All the allegation, we're not going to grab you every time. Do you have good phone? Me have played the video up where. Let me bring the video out. A video of Frakelabo, let me bring it out. No, you are a grab here. Even when last year, you one down here. Never even seen evidence. Ogbel. Ọmọ náà gbé ọmọlẹ́dọ́tọ̀ ọmọ gbọ́tẹ́ àgbé wa bẹ́ẹ̀ni yára lè mọ́ ní ya gbé ọkàn tí ó wèé wa ẹ̀ ọmọlẹ́dọ́tọ̀ Uma not defend on him. Why me Frankraba made? Amen. Monica or worry now. After this video now, Ajebor went to Benin to go and play a course on Monica. Then the same person you are still calling Umenmwan.
Those send people that are going to be intend to come and be calling you. I know you. Continue. I stand for your truth. Nothing will happen, my brother.
Wow.
When you realize what happened after position, okay.
Yes,
continue, my brother.
Yes, ma'am.
What about my brother? Shout.
Yes,
okay.
Oh, you we mark a beg you not to the beg. You be one come beg secretly. Make the matter die. Make I cover my mouth. Me I not talk. You lie, Ajebor. You lie. If you lie, talk what you want to talk. I still focus on the truth. Come on and speak. Don't tell me I am. I mean, they don't do you go to body anyway. I'm making him no. Okay, we're not going on a devil. We're not gonna devil now. Any you're going. Those are the people that worship money. I don't worship money. I don't worship your words. To hell with you. Even though I'm going away. $100 million. Oh, go no. If you fail, oh, get beme. Uga who whether na igwo who Egbemo family not by not do you so start to speak the truth. I deceive you go you are you seen where you are not a big man. Backbone. Who gives you how dare does not go away? Which is not go away? We're no heaven. We're not paying everybody with your wisdom. We are do below your visible. No, you are low keep on the road. I don't give all those women warning all those women where you follow. If they need with the they are disgrace nyaya. No pay what they will not pay what they. I'm going to test you. Ajebor my memory rock man. It's about none we joking now, eh? My way ask when my bogo yoni. I wear clear. Ude what I hear no ya get them please no beg given and settle. My way settle my way. We no career, no my way do settle. Me and you can never settle. And I can never settle with evil men who pretend to be good to the public. Secretly, they worship idol and evil immorality for your household. Then you come out on social media to be preaching as if you are a nice person. I'll continue to expose you. Go to her, go talk what you want to talk. All the people where they talk to, I get all their record. You hear me? I get all their record. They are not capable enough. The post what they giving us, people are not qualified to be that post. Put on one dirty buluku. Or ya we not pay a tear bonivia the Norwebu. If you know to the extent of not you tell him a live video, he was laying a curse on him. But today now what be in your end? He was chased out of the palace, banned from Benin, not only for the whole Benin, all loyal like Russia. Then they rush me, and they rush me. Oh, you know, you are lava if I Ajebor. When we are gang, the moon we are gang, the moon you are disgrace what the moon. Quick, why you get Monica ya check it boy? When the Monica who say or load their body, mark by when the Monica GPC, when you are Jeep was Heli freaky. Only my audience picture like that, picture like that, Heli freaky. It didn't know, you are going GPC. Ya been with social media now. I will hear legal. Okuno robo to no he. It didn't know over the note. One was you, what's the big? One by one, I disgrace Waladian. GPC, when we are Waladian, one by one, it didn't disgrace. I keep on acquired that day. Since then, I keep on acquired the same. Make us see this, give respect to some of the women We see this side because some are still married women for inside. Side GPC, some now married women. We married women, they put hand for their husband head. This time around, as your boy, you are yahoo. How many wrong? How many running? How many frustrated running? What are the people? How you need to go bury the enemy? See this? Understand? Oh God. Let me go first of all. I don't first send a message, go give that woman. Helen, I don't first send a message, go give her. Very real. So much in Amulele. Or can like it, boy. You understand? And for those of you now, this one a special announcement. My fellow ladies, announcement to my beautiful people. For those of you now, are women who this is the one born. Your tummy, you understand? Your tummy not they go where you understand. Your womb not they balance. You need massaging. You need massaging. You need native medicine where you go fit make your womb they okay. You make your body they okay. You know the right place to go. Go meet a pie Murphy, the social media president. You understand? Why I'm meeting I work with that one. You understand? All team massage have a coeni the UV. When I know as they do it, no give wife on. You understand? So now very good example. All me why example. A very good example. So if you want me to massage your waist, massage your belly, your womb, so that I come already not a big bopani. I do when you view. I come on no green na fire wood in when I have balance and make enough food. So that for I diagnose this family, you will balance. Or see that way see or ya total you get or the form a triangle, make it what it was, or the form what. So I put a part of the movie, you understand? About social media president, you understand? So call it what we know about it, party movie, the power will remember my type platform where much I know where he will tell you, you understand? Then when he tell you, you go. You understand? And go. Why are you going to poison? And we buy you now. Why are you poison? You understand? Ah, what to go am me one can be go if you know you are in your leg as they do you. You understand? Eko even on je we o ma fure anytime you allow your koda fun agbeyo at the end you see ko. You understand now? So you go and meet a party Murphy, he will diagnose it for you. Do now you are kia we pa gbe kia we wu ne. Wo wa de who honor do also go say we are the panto who wa ke wa ye. Oh, you be bored, you understand? You understand? So we party Murphy all the kunu no ke we am gba ya wo suwe beef no ro. Oh, Jack, you know, as you know, no, so go and meet a party Murphy, go diagnose and give you normal level. I able the poison and so man. And say now this now why they go you go association. Oh, you must see, you fear me no ballot. Okay, no yega. Okay, why you go hungry? You fan. Or the area ya did us even in the agora ia covia marastan ona amaro yo ku na sion ame ku na ngwa ku du enwe ya go yega egbe ya ye mose e para we o ku na ya kwario iro she ifwe ona ku afie ku bi dikiri ona ga afie kiri ku bi na gari o ma da mi ada bi konta we go ona so na ku afie kiri o ma pe kiri para wa moto na agbe pa na wo e pari wu ne fuare gba o ku bi na wa yero wa afie do ya pa ọ̀hìn ìgbà ìyá lé lóko ọ̀hìn ìyá lé lóko ìyá ọ̀bùjà dé ògbóná wà lè kọ́ ni ìjà ọ̀hìn ìjọba òkúta láì àlọ́ ìwédú ngùwégùn. Okay, no problem. Okay. No wahala. All right, thank you. So, paripu. Madam, na okay, ni eze ge go ni we go bi okporo bi na ga mo ile ọ̀hìn ya friend ogun na ya friend shukudi. Eshukudu no shukudi eni oye bio eni shukudi omu di ogbero. Eshukudu gi la jagbe. Iyogo eshukudu ke wa emu jagbe ya mu di afion ya eni po mu di na ke na go suwe ya mu di gangan na ke chiso na ya kan wa eshukudu no wa ri ye ni gi fin ya gbe na ga tu ba ka ona ga tu jagbe na ti je o shukudi Shukudi, Ero sapolo go yangwe, Ero sapolo go yangwe, Ero sapolo go yangwe. Ima give me now the revenue. Ima got the revenue. Lao, I give us a polo, I lay me go. Now, lao, walk we are king you can see fear me, bueno. Fear me no balong give me. So I know wouldn't why you know how I book boy, I book come alone. Ero sapolo, I lay me go. Ero sapolo, I lay Shukudi West, Shukudi Odima. Understand? So now, Dona gwale no yin we amudia tipa ni we back be the wa you wa you pare no wa abi was no wetin you gbava you can only gbava kan okay na later we dia kan we gbe na dey do your what you dey do your man understand man clear the okodo na ibo do na man understand man balance so na la ho so ho ati pa uvia e pari kunu oye boya amudia si okun edo man understand we man yi na erutu man understand onye mana ga na jedi romanticism any mana yi understand so he by power of your when no e need ni pa diagnose no abi aju yo e root gwa lo gwa le better root no aga se kan yi wa se kan yi o anwo inye o ya ya balance ai ti mo ya ro ari e uri ya na boka wa sala pa like ta oh you know understand I need the tipa the Murphy. Yeah, we diagnose on the way. Shape the problem. You understand? So as we are coming talking, Ajebor, let's go there.
My foot, they don't have it. They don't have it. They bleach their skin. They are not men. Real men don't bleach. Real men go out and work and provide for their family. That's what real men does.
God bless
real men
you.
don't care how they look. The most important thing, how their account tick. If you they work, you go forget look first. Once you relax, look your account, your body go fresh naturally. Chop better food, your body go fresh. Sometimes I might be working. I don't care how I look when I'm working. Must I be on Facebook every day I was asleep Monday to night where men they work? The end of the day they come from fake foundation, fake donation, fake means to work on the psyche of our gullible guests in Europe. That's what you do. That's what you people do. Sorry for that bad English. None of they do, and you keep on doing it. You that have no principle, you that have no iota of truth in you, you have the effort to give me a voice so that you now begin to lose. I have lost confidence in you long time ago because you a man that speaks from both sides of your mouth. You're not a straightforward man. You speak from both sides of your mouth. You lack honor. You lack integrity. You lack everything that makes a man to be a real man. That's a fact. That's a fact.
Oh God.
So that being said, my people, hopefully, God willing, when I get home, I will first eat, relax. Then in the next, maybe 6 o'clock, I will be home. Let us talk about the bush lion. It's a lack of integrity. It's a misconduct. His misbehavior that he thinks he want to bamboozle us. He want to fool us. He want to fool gullible people in Europe that are not well schooled with his stupid phone. Who cares about your phone? I'm well sound, well based when it comes to educational values more than you. So, be one. I go watch you this night. You make me better. I'll play your audio. Wait till they say they go. They crash. You not tell me say you confess to me that you fuck amazing. You not tell me. You told me. Idiot, bushrat. You told me.
Thumbs up the video for your YouTube. Thumbs up the video.
And not be say you feel fucker. Messi came out to expose you. Vivian Naiwo came out to expose you. They can't expose your lies to the world. They crazy.
I love that.
If I come and play your tape, your mama will go for second. You go for admission again. Go faint again. Idiot. Mumu. You will go Benin with fear bat. Go there say hey, you not salato. You dey fear. Now fear you dey fear. You dey crazy. You don't say you be my party. You used to call me always. You have your voice note more than 50 inside my phone. I have your write-up that you told me that you didn't say that you dey fear. You just want to dance to their tune. Idiot. You be man of honor. You that when you go somewhere you see the right thing to do, you never feel do it. You tell me the money they pay you. You collected 2 million. You collected 2 million. That was what you told me. The bush rat. Abad gave you 2 million naira. Thief, arm robber. Then you saw that. What is happening now? Is Benin working? Is Obasaki working? Is Obasaki working? Edo must move forward. Are we moving forward or we are retrogressing right now? We move bush rats. So hopefully my people, when I get home after a nice shower, I don't eat, I can relax, can work on the stupid, idiotic, wannabe American veteran, you know, US Army veteran will be mumu goat. If you are one of our representatives in the diaspora in US, then you are a big fool. You remain a rat before Andromorpha any day, anytime. A rat you remain. Inconsequential non-entity, that's what you are. You're not firm, you're not consistent, you're not direct. Then maybe you must be bothered or rather affected by the post-trauma syndrome that you guys are saying you went to U.S. Army do have. You're not stable, the bush rats. You're not stable. You're traumatized. You're not stable. You follow Osage, you betray Osage. You follow Mega Comment, you betray. You go meet Obaze for Bini. You came and confessed to me. You confess to me. Say you just want to dance with their two. You still believe say Obasaki no go work, but when they give you small money, you change mouth. Then you come back. You go back to Monica. You go meet Ivie. You go join GPC. They can't give you fake Godfather. Godfather my foot. I told you that day you took that Godfather. That was when you just rubbish yourself. A man in America they take Godfather from Monica, an illiterate in Holland. You take Godfather from Monica. The same Frank Victor they beat you today. You used to say, Frank Victor, you hold him high esteem when they support you now for GPC. But the day this guy pull out, now you call the caller say, no know what they do. But now one user take fight against truth. Now he has come for truth. You guys are fucking dead afraid. Now they go support evil. Now they go support evil. Now Monica, Ivie, they want to be the truth tellers for this social media. Anybody will deviate, go meet Monica. That day, the person's career die because truth must always prevail over lies. And darkness and light don't meet. The light will super shine and oversee the darkness. That's how it's going to work this time around. But this is a coffee bit attitude like that. Call life for head. Call life for head. Call the give her name will not be he not get wife for house. Man we don't marry, get 3 kids before. Must he get wife for us? It is stress. If you decide not to get woman for us now or call exhibitor, showcase our Facebook, it's his fucking choice, my friend.
That's Eke Magwala group.
Who be your friend, sir? I'll not be your friend. Ogun will kill you. That Ogun will say, I talk say, he go kill Richard. Then you go first kill before he go kill Richard. Go kill Richard, kill you.
Amen, that provoke.
That small rats, no fear they call my name for a match. You say you go scot free like that. So quickly, Ajekpako, I say they come the dance stage. Ajekpako, redeem your name. Your name have been rubbish. You have to redeem your name. You just have to do it, not come the dance, come the preach a Bible that you be this, God has given you this, people are jealous of you. No, there are certain facts. Logically, you have to come on air to prove them wrong. That's what you got to do. Go take care of your children. Let it be noted that your children are being given what they desire from you. That's the things you need to do. Prove everybody otherwise. Don't come social media, call they dance, they fool people with your smooth tongue, they sweet talk them. They go fool there. You praise go general. Go because go come across support you. We just go, you don't call go for your mouth before. Go, you know what that go there exists before now? Did you know that Ugo was on this live Facebook live before now? Because he can't support you for evil now. Because they're blind. They support evil. You want to Ugo general. The movie maker. Now you can't say the movie maker. Where have you been all these years? All these years. Are you subscribe to Ugo blessing
Monica. Hello?
Hello, my brother call Butter.
What's up, babe?
Call. La where life.
You do life?
Oh, sorry. Okay. La yati we back. La they won't finish.
Let's see in the next 30 minutes time.
All let it be ability we are
Mallet.
Okay. Yati, we're back. What's saying?
No, voilà. Only not really UK number no call. That's why I'm with Yawa Elena. Why Monica Yunkia? Why Monica Yunkia? No good back with Monica. Bewagon. Nekpo Diogwe. Awa bijwe wa berawa. La rena awa bijwe wa bera. No good back with Monica. Goda for you. Goda for who you were when awa bera you are like se fa. Ayo wane kwenemu. A GPC biaga, GPC kemangwala, GPC we no green, GPC quarter, GPC propoto. Or no yetawi itiebonoku ogun beluwa. Anybody no yetawi itiebonoku ogun ya gbonware. Emi no ya kase onwani ga de wu yo fian itane ni chalo hianji wa gbe oku atiebonoku bia wa complete itiebonoku wa complete wa vague wa gbon kuwe ka jebon wa gbe wa gbon okuwe ko kan jebono wa ni gbe agia no he gin ni woro wa bola wa gba GPC no ho wa idenu wa ma bu wa no ba we face one GPC back for you because boy wa pa de wa GPC wa ni rugo GPC boy wa pa de we ta we ye we gu wa awe bo wa yo se wa ya we bo de o ma gba e abi ibe ri GPC aboko no ge wodo GPC ko no wodo ipe ati yan yan aza no pe GPC ọ̀dáfíyàn hàn ní àgbẹ̀ òwá yẹn azẹ́ yóò gbàwé ìdẹnuwà Ajebor àìwá pa àwádẹ́rẹ́ ìyá ẹgbẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà ọwádẹ́ tíkẹ́tì lẹ́ ó adé tíkẹ́tì lé lókun ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ Nàìjíríà wọ́n wọ́n mìíràn bọ̀ wọ́n máa lé lókun ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́dọ̀ okun ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́dọ̀ èmi ló yẹ kó ní mo wá nínú yá àwọ̀ fanẹ́jọ wà ó wà ìbára come and be live video you understand without a husband permission. Ibuwadi, Ajebor, Umenmwan, a matana ya sina kwa ya norim. Can you remit me? I will remit me. Why matana senior ya or kadokadi? And ya wala then I explain your own side of the story. A bonuya we are bana, awunya ya nano, awunya ya or man, a bunloniani, Najet, a boo. No, it's over by moon. A bonia clear, clear. We are. I bonia have me freedom. It way here now. You people must get freedom. You people must get freedom. Don't be Joko. Oh God, I just took my drink. What's that? So I got me one. Ajebor.
Yeah, you want break record, yeah. Breaching, still on the birthday, yes. Well, I want the world to hear this song. Special dedication. Special dedication to Ajebor. We are just back from the orphanage. Who was that to that? We are here, bright. No be what them guys they do. Now what do they do? No be what you guys they do. No be lie. Now they claim us, you know they represent you. Claim chair, you know they represent you. Every time you they booga. You they carry shoulder up. Every time you they booga. You they carry shoulder up. Yes. You don't help. I believe you they carry along, go. No be lie. I believe you don't help. I believe you they carry along, go. Yo, special one. One break record. Both men of village. No fancy village. Yo, they look at no fancy village. No be lie. No fancy village. They force you to get money. No fancy village. You don't fancy village. I think you no fancy village. You have. But they no fancy village. No be lie. They no fancy village. They no fancy village. See the fancy house. For for security purpose. Sala. Protecting us. Oh yeah. Hey. Security purpose. Hey, Ravila. Protecting us. That's all. For security purpose.
Yes, so my people, there's one thing I want to say before I end the video. One, me and you were offense one of Dutchland. Why are you enogi we enogi boga? Oh my God, boy, GPC might say we are enogi. GPC have left you. I told you, you can never make it. A GPC say where I don't know. You are oh how you keep my life with you. We have your we social. See Lara, see Lara, see Atia, see how Imiamoja. Why cannot give beg with life video? You put turn to life, you turn life video to begging association, you turn life video to charity association. What why not be giver? Are there more many women who gave birth to twins? There are a woman not with live video. She's even a live video presenter. That mommy something where they do live video for Italy. You did for Bergamo. She got twins. Twins now she get. Twins. So Allah bless her with. In your mother beg you live video. They don't call live video come back. They not call live video come back. Or they don't give a behavior. I don't want to beg a live video. A live video yana do mongo. A live video yana the bossas go. A live video yana the panty go. A live video yana the vie go. A live video everything is you need is free. Everything that you want it to be life is free of charge. No one will pay one raji everywhere. No one will pay one raji everywhere. Everything is free. Why are no be viva? And I mean no be viva there. Osalo bone gume be viva no why disgrace gume. Osalo bone gume be viva. No viva why? Viva ke la dia weko. Insult upon injury. You know the thing about your life. Hello? Yeah, I of no way.
Yes. You where they no way. But Ajebor they carry and they go at the house. A married woman. At the they come download the whole thing. What happened for the house? Married woman, we are calling you for the second time. No way,
Now which one you the booger, you the carry shoulder off. How many you they know here? How many you they carry along? Thank you, man. Thank you. I see that man. I see no one talk. Hey, ciao. Hey, God, while I do this, you Ajebor, this one where you go pull your leg, it go hurt you. Nuwejina, Ajebor nuwejina. Oh yeah, tui. Oh, do here tui. Ni me tu na here no edi, no ere pedi. Odo no ere pedi na my tui. Ahia we ya was say social media is a place of open ballot. As far as this platform is concerned, it's a place of open hands. You open like this. How many you don't help? How many women you they carry they go? Ajebor, how many you don't help? How many husband women with the husband house you they carry they go at? Now which one you they booger, you they carry shoulder up? How many yawa you don't blow? How many yawa you they carry they go? Ajebor, share you won't break record, brother. Go blow your woman. Share you won't break record, Ajebor, Go blow Vivian. How many yawa you don't blow? How many yawa you they carry they go bongo? Now this one you they booger, you they carry shoulder up. Okay. Now this one you they booger, you they carry shoulder up. Ajebor, hey God, we want to start saga now. Today will be the final day. You understand? Tomorrow saga continue. Tomorrow now you want to really know about this man do saga. You know the saga. If this is the saga is then the saga you. Tomorrow I want to the saga you for all this your story. Now I'm beg you know how can you ban we gan? Emi ban where Ajebor. When you chain go, I you the sign of body when I did can nothing young way can marry can marry black. Tomorrow you go to go sweet. Today is a day of grace for them. Today is a day of grace for them. I don't want to bring that picture come out of them. Tomorrow, oh God. I give you 90. Today now waiting Monday. 90 on Friday. If Ajebor children sit at your house. If Ajebor not be threatening, I give you 90 Friday. If you Ajebor are wedding. If I mean I do no any wedding. Now Friday I go start with this gun why you. Not tell you the truth. If you Ajebor still dey at your house, if you Ajebor na yaro wo dion we. Ona yare number 1. Ohun Market Road. You understand? You know, as you don't build your name, now till Friday, latest, or Friday, I don't know how to done now. Now till Friday. If Ajebor orphanage home is still in that number 1 of the road, let the saga continue. Omo no dey le want to do gbiju we o ya orphanage home we mo orphanage home ne no ya orphanage home go wa we. That boy agbalowe a body will clear on Friday for your eye. Na me talk am. Na me talk am. Oga ebo all onu e boni or clear. Or clear. And if you do it, make sure you call back with this man say yes, and I will still send my guys. May they go confirm if that orphanage will still there. Ajebor, now Baba with this man they talk to. I go to do you for the social media. You go know the difference between who not get paper and who get paper. I'm going to tell you the difference between the person will not get paper, Aduro boy, and you will don't get paper. With the drive car, we get driving license, and we not get driving license, but you see the drive. You understand? You see, I see the jet to small. And then they go Suzala border. Akure. Oh God. I said, well, what you get me? Oh, I'm going to walk. Imoto we fi school up there. You release, see your car when they drive. Old school car, old cargo. Motor now give €200. We open. You not see motorway person dash person for my platform. For March for my platform here with dash person car. Nissan, no. Camry, Pijo. Me I bring the car come out. Ajebor, come here, me you can see. You compare with your own car. Or motor now can already not marry a day. They might fool you. Understand me now? Obi understand me now? Ajebor, now which one you dey booga, you dey carry shoulder up. How many you don't have? Ajebor, how many you dey carry along go? Ajebor, see the car about this man they drive. You see the car about this man they drive. Not be Binso, not be one more car, and latest Jeep, you know. You feel me? Now, I may drive license, I may be, I'm on now, anyway, I go in your way. Hello. Oh, I don't speak up, bros. What up, man? Domo.
No what Ajebor na you fan on your ruko na bigo yonu geladi ruko.
Yeah, they Ladian. Then you go to the about the snap.
Bigo you buko no Ajebor Ladian ruko.
Oh, Ladian. There.
Because enough is
enough.
It be a ganon you want no man need reading. Umenmwan, anybody not to tear with you West Ajebor, you know me where Sagana continue and block you. He block you, then he follow. Or where in your bala, I hear him out in Nika because when the men are humiliated at Titi, Amajabon.
Shake it off.
Amajabon, when him to tie Pala and a television.
If I get a flash man, I bet you have seen everything. Idiot in but enough is enough. I can't do Europe. Near the Yamu, Yavidari, Yamu, Yaria, I don't know how to say. Now, amen. We have to bring it master to book.
That is motor about the here nice.
We have to
dot mode
bring
is
this
not
matter
dot
to
mode.
book.
Man, this so dot mode.
Understanding now?
Yeah.
The matter, imagine it better, imagine your baby. Yeah, when it's no, who we when on to no ya chep of it, no ya do where as
Exactly.
people are following him, but he doesn't know. Mawalile, since some few days ago, we are so Mawalile. We Zikangbe, in a Japan, making a mere atase, we don't yet to know what does any. Now, a secretary affair, where we go along. My type computer and I
believe. See the mother who dash person for match. I brought to bros. What? There's a motor now, I free of charge. Single mother now will dash this car too. Single mother free of charge for a year. I want to say, you know what they follow me now? No, see, I'm not the cabinets. Single mother, any single mother, I'm not more than 1 month plus before woman can collect them. Single mother, and a dash too. But we can wear a few old school car. Old school car, the kilometer of wounded, working on for the past 4 years. Hello. What up, man? Every speaker. No wala. No wala. This one love. Hello. Good evening, man. How you doing? I'm on live video. Which one? Yeah, that. Now they took out. They only have 2. Yeah. No, now the small one. Now the small one be pijot. And the small one be pijot. Okay, now drink car. I want to know. Me, I Tifa can't give you. This is my beg. I go. Okay, no worry. I'll buy that one for you, yeah? All right, now take care. Ciao. All right. Yes, so my people, you understand? Ajebor, but at least now I tell matter. Ajebor, Gamia with your Dazama CSC. Maybe a few more too. I have more a few more too. We bo, maybe be a Dazama CSC. Yeah, oh, yes, so I mean, what? Easy. Ajebor, you know, you yourself, you know. You know, we say you don't know the story. Hey, all that we go with live video, we casting, we deceive people for live video, they pay me because I know you go reach out. Yeah, where you Google the king gonna manage. You understand? But this one not be joke. If you look like stupidity, until you accept responsibility, you cannot become irresponsible. You understand? So, my dear, if you don't accept responsibility, you will never become a celebrity. It is your acceptability, connectivity to the Lord of divinity that determine your productivities. My guy, go use your sense. Maybe you forget sense. Use the one you get. Maybe you still get sense because you don't use your sense. You understand me now? You know they use your sense. Ajebor, you just be like, oh, you know, ofeno de yame. Enyene won be. Oh, we mo come on. Enyene won be. Ibi kaya ya wiwi. Ude you want to bole le we na. Iya we do boy. I want to bole le we na. Iya we do boy. Okay. Uwe ga owe ekinwe wabe igbakiyan we kori yo owo wa owo kin ma ekinwe we wo kin ma wa ga do we last year or last 2 years we wa do that a buy the movie wo kan you think you want to do the same thing to Atiti? Oh God, and you can't forget say the social media king is around. I told you affliction will never ride the second time. All those gather beating, you know what happened in my regime. You understand? You join that your igbeagia no that okuno ho wa no mu yiwani uhe no gba me we ni kworo no mu yiwa e poto no mu yiwa no ma no yi ni ga ye 2 euro ya ho we Napoli no mu yiwa gbe wa we ogo na we you are bafi is a lapa e won ni lezere they have rescued them but who will rescue you Ajebor? Nobody that will rescue you. Nobody will rescue you from that equoro, from that poto. I can see that you are shouting rescue. Who will swim? Itubu, itebe. Ajebor, I dey come for you tomorrow now. I swear, I dey come for you tomorrow. Where? One of the useless men we have known on social media is Agamieya Wefe. Who claim that is Ajebor ambassador at those in the diaspora, ambassador who here in the diaspora. You are ambassador from today. Your name changed from ambassadors and those in the diaspora. No. Who give you that name? Who give you that name? Who give you that name? Do you know the meaning of diaspora? Do you know the meaning of diaspora? You are ambassador. I've changed your name now. The king, I've changed your name. That you are not the ambassador of Duhe in diaspora. Ambassador of Uhe. Okay. Ambassador of Uhe in diaspora. Babon lawe bi babon mu wa wa lu wa na. E wo bi we do di. Do ala bian we that video form me and make name. You do know what is name. When they beg how you make name. When you beg him and boss so any we I big men. Yeah, big men because big men, yeah, men no any boy big man. Yeah, you are endorsing people that are working. You are not working, you are endorsing people that are working, praising them on live video, worshiping fellow human being like you, like God. You don't come out on live video and start praying to God to help you. Instead, praising women for them to give you. Before you open orphanage, you will have money. Before you open orphanage, don't open orphanage when you don't have anything, expecting to beg of social media to give to you to go and help orphanage. When they give 50 euro, you use 10 euro to buy Indomie for them and keep 40 euro in your pocket. Okay, you think because I kept you quiet, I kept all of you quiet. You are genocide. I keep you quiet, sending people everywhere, close to me. When I see them try, they follow up. Am I 100,000 your account? We get 20,000. Yeah, they buy any. We had a full stuff you were. The next thing you position the 80,000 for your account. They use one. They live your own life. You think now you get sense pass. You think now you get brain pass. Ajebor, they come for you tomorrow. Saga continue. And all those in unison, all those in Yowa, I have given Ovie pa I talk by Ojonwe, Ojonwe, no one. I have given you nothing on Friday. It Ajebor of Jomi and Yaro Baweni. Ajebor of Jomi is still there. Don't know me. They didn't have to see. Yawa, you go Yawa, come on, send you go Alpha. Go check whether Ajebor family is in that house. Go check. Sharply. I go Zolo my comments. I go Zolo everything comments. Don't be joke. I know so you do help or you help people, but for Ajebor case, today mark the beginning when I will see you do help for Ajeborish. You understand? Only my concern me. You get killed do for no apple and get Ajebor. Ajebor me you know, bira you boy ebo ikwebo giege. Ave bono yalo yeke ikwere e bilowie. No, ne yati ege yati boy na this boy na it's a boy. No yati ye Korean on the school na. Rodigbi primary school. It's a boy. You understand? So when I get ready, Kami zobe wona we webo no ne boda make na gunu kama ya wona webo umi ba ka wona na me umenmwan elize ti gun akun odin ijagara obono de kun no ke kunde ba ka ki wona na me umenmwan ali eri yore ijagara wa ya ka bo akokere yo kuta we gbe no vekiri kuda we bo no punu zo gbe nerwe understand me now. I don't tell you oyo deal we today go reach Friday. I don't want to see Ajebor Fanejo for who again. We make you go rent house if you want help. If you want to help, if you want to do orphanage job, rent an office. Oh, this one that genocide they take better pass you. A genocide get more fees. Genocide get rented an office. Genocide he rented an office for his own orphanage home. Ajebor go and rent office today now. Call them for when I go to find house because now till on Friday. If I see you, if I see that orphanage home for there, and then you will know because why? And not be say one thing, you be fake. The people where you put for that orphanage home, their father are done. Their papa get money die before he die. Now he be the chairman of Welu, Nosiba. He get those one they sell land for Welu. Now they sell land for Welu. If we go to Welu and they go get crashed that year, we know how they take fight that fight for boundary for power line. You dey feel me so? Don't go reason now. Go reach all those these they call this church Sabbath church that side. Now Noziba I sell all those land that year. They be chairman money day. So for you to come work, if they kind of way the grandchildren will deal with your mother. Now you carry them with your mother go for that orphanage. See hungry people. He carry your own mama grandchildren where they stay with mommy, where they stay with grandma. He pack them as orphanage home. Again, madam, I don't tell you my mind though. You understand? Or we can so rasas we say, we got to one with the way. Can I don't say what that say today. Now till on Friday, I want to see results. Ajebor family job is no longer in that house. If you let me go put up for another place for home, but as far as that house is concerned, where it concerns you, I don't want to see Ajebor family job today again, and I want to see you with Ajebor again. You are a married woman for crying it loud. Keep to your husband. I be you want to tell us your husband still not the work. So I use God beg you. I don't want to talk. And the other woman too, the GPC the GPC where they support Monica, where they clap on phone Monica. Your own matter does reach my table. I'm coming out for you. Ellie freaky. You understand? I know you can freaky. My matter at my table. I give you now till Friday. Now do the need this. Now respect myself. Because why? If Baba with man, I don't want to come out for women. Now men, I don't deal with so. I don't deal with men. I deal with men. Now men, useless men. Now I don't deal with so. If I turn my side face women, I'm not gonna like me when I find on the story. I don't say I like women well, but I like responsible women and I respect responsible women. I don't respect women that are cheating on their husband. I don't respect women that are freaky. I don't respect women that are zubu. Okay, no. So when I get myself respected, attention is needed with immediate alacrity and do the needs. Things where I want, I tell you that when I do, everybody find your way. And I win now. Ajebor Fanejo must be immediately vermouth from that house. Vermouth from that house. Bow this man. Understand? All of us now one family. We need to fight ourselves. You understand? But we need to understand ourselves. Thank God say everywhere now so it still be. I know the beat anybody, I know the fight anybody, but my injection is sweet. And I thank all of you who sit down the listing, una be eyewitness. You understand? Una Ajebor, may you come tell them now. All these things we are talk. If I lie against time, I did all my things at the right time. In case of tomorrow, I will see if I see the color, I'll carry my book, I will read. Yes, so day like this, I say so word. You understand? And these are my reason. These are my evidence. These are what I said, and these are my evidence. That is me for you, Babu this man. I greet you. Oh God, I order my drink with that one, young. My stash. I want to go stash. Oh God, I greet man. Stash with black soup. Banga soup, but mommy prepare. You see the banga soup, what? Oh God, with cow tongue. I want to conjure you. I not be like Ajebor, I don't know to cook. Ajebor, I love. You want to chop ogbolo. Ogbolo na fi ogbolo. Isalo. Okos. Epo ma le mu we okwe by the okwe le bi ri. Wari ogbolo live video wa sikwa you. I go for you. Yes, so my people are greeted up on a better style. I want to tell you, okay, say, Papa with this man, I too big for her. I do abandon her on one side. Make it did there. Next time, I get me topic. The topic then I know Ajebor. After don't for Ajebor, they come for her. When I tell you, if you say, I don't give her 10 years first, I abandon her. All those women, all those chimchaco. When I say, when I tell Monica to make it see they sleep, and they come and wake up. You understand? When time reach, maybe that I go don't kill all the evil men around. If I finish with evil men, because they see evil men, so they see evil women. Ajebor, come out, come tell us, come deny her for social media. Say you not tell three good women. Say Monica, they come to sleep with you for dream. Come out after this video, when Monica and Lolo do. After the saga you finish, come out, come deny her. Say you don't go swear with Izobo. You don't go from back, go swear for Monica. Come out, come deny those two things first. So. Yeah, or the answer you wanna. If you deny one finish, I'm going to give you evidence again. I'll still bust out live evidence again. You understand? The same person where you tell I will call her for live video. The person where you tell somebody can sleep with you for dream. It's a live video, no damn your way. You will not do so. Nothing may logo. May God bless it up now. The one that they support me. You understand? Those of you who support me, God bless it up now. And we not forget, on Wednesday, in our connecting time, we are trying to connect people together. We know all the corners, snow, they come. Everyone now will feel this breeze smoke, they come. Understand? Many of them will not get blankets. I need to get blankets. True blanket, honest blanket, not be chimichako, will not be say, can't do, because it's slack. You understand? So I'm responsible people. And if I find out I just can't go, now you do. My brother, I could go saga you. You understand? So for that platform, where they come, they connect people. For truthful, be honest, be sincere. This woman don't pass through stress, it don't pass through pain for my hand. So you need on that man will clean tears, will wipe the tears, so that you will enjoy the woman. And so you just be. So it's still be for man, so it's still be for a woman. May God bless her for now. Good now. Know that's not people. Now bye for now. Good now. This is Frank Victor, the Umenmwan, one of the universe, aka the social media king, social media Cubana, social media Otutuna. We know why social media bomo. One love, but that's that. I order my drink.